Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable beta updates on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to enable beta updates for your iPhone, so let's see how can do that. So in my case, I have already beta updates enabled in my iPhone. Here you can see in my update section, I have an automatic updates option and a beta updates option. So let's see how can you enable this. You just have to simply go back and open your browser. In your browser, just simply search for Apple Dev or Apple Developer. Just search for this. Open the first website from here. You can also use the app if you want, but I'm gonna open my website here. Now just tap on the two horizontal lines in the top left. Then tap on account. Now here just wait for the loading. And on this screen, you just have to sign in with your Apple Developer account. If you already have an account, you can log in here. You can also try to create a new Apple account. You can also tap on the sign in with passkey option to use your passkey to sign in. You can easily use your Face ID or your Touch ID to sign in or log you in. And once you have logged in, you have signed in, you might see some prompts. So just continue to them. And after that, you might see this type interface. And just go back and open your settings. You can try to relaunch your settings app. Or if you're still not showing the option here, so you can try to make a force restart with your iPhone. So once you have restarted, you might see some beta updates in your software update section. This will let beta updates. You can see I have a regular update. Now I'm gonna enable beta update. Just select beta updates. Then select your iOS enable beta if you have any option here. Just select it and wait for the loading. So after a few seconds, your beta updates will be enabled. Once the beta update has been enabled, just go back and here you will find the latest beta version or latest developer beta you have available. You can directly update now from here. Or I recommend you how to try to get a backup of your data to prevent any kind of data lost before you update your software. So in this way, you can easily enable beta updates on your iOS. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.